theft, and violent attacks in today's society are all too real, especially against high-security buildings such as government offices, embassies, dispensaries, critical infrastructure facilities, and many other sensitive buildings. Let the EntryDefender Door give you peace of mind. It may look like a standard rolling door, but we've taken that secure design and developed the ultimate forced entry solution. Just look at its durable 12-gauge steel curtain with unique interlocking slats built to reduce access points in the door. It's not just built for security, it's built for maximum security. The EntryDefender was developed for the U.S. Department of State to meet state standard for forced entry and ballistic resistance of structural systems. What does this mean? It means that this door withstood a grueling mob attack. It kept the mob out for 15 minutes, then 30, and they couldn't even get through in 60 minutes. When it comes to protecting you, your building, and your assets from attack and looting, the choice is simple. EntryDefender.